Hello everyone. Good morning to all. So class, prepare to begin with our today's work? Great. Hope you all must have attended your prayer, your exercise class now? Yes. So let's begin with our today's classes. Can anyone tell me what's the day today? Yes, it's Friday and the date is 29 October 2021. So class, we all know today is Friday. If today is Friday, what will be tomorrow? Tomorrow means next day. तो कल क्या है? Tomorrow will be Saturday. Very good. And you know what you have to do on Saturday? You have to send your work to school on Saturday, isn't it? So finish all your work by today and send me for checking tomorrow. Okay? Now let's begin with our today's classes. So this is our English period, and in English, ma'am keeps on teaching you some alphabet, its sound, pictures and so on. So which was the last alphabet that we have just completed? Can anyone tell me? Yesterday we wrote alphabet D in the notebook. Yes. And what's the sound of this alphabet? D says D. D dog. D drum. D disco. We all dance, isn't it? D dance. So we have learned a lot about letter D and how we pronounce it. Today we are going to begin with a new alphabet. First we'll look at the pictures, we'll discuss about them, then we'll understand what is the alphabet that we are going to study today and what's its sound. Okay? One by one we'll start identifying these pictures. So everyone is familiar with this. What's this? Angoor. So yes, we have learned that in Hindi. It's say angoor. But you know what we call this fruit in English? We call it grapes. Yes, what we call them? Grapes. Isn't it? It's grapes. Just say with me, grapes. Okay, so these are grapes. Now, what's this? Now, Diwali festive season is going on. You all must be playing with it a toy type of gun. Yes. And you keep on bursting those small crackers in it. What's that? It's a gun. Say with me, बंदूक. English में नहीं बोलते. English में हम बोलेंगे gun. And in Hindi we call it बंदूक. Clear? So what's this? It's a gun. So we have grapes, we have gun. Okay. What is this? A musical instrument which we play. Different notations जिसपे हम अलग-अलग music play कर सकते हैं. We call it guitar. What we call it? Guitar. Just speak with me once again. Say guitar. Okay. Now it's your birthday. जब आपका birthday होता है, what do you get? You get lot of ऐसे wrap हो गया आते हैं ना, beautiful paper में ribbon लगा होता है. So what's that? What we call this? It's a gift. Good gift, isn't it? Guitar, gift. And when we go out, जब हमने black color किया था, मैम ने आपको बताया था when we go out, it's very sunny. We wear something on our eyes to protect it from sun. What's that? काला चश्मा. उसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? We call it goggles, isn't it? So we wear goggles. Again, goggles. Then we have, repeat, grapes, gun, guitar, goggles, gift, isn't it? Now what's this? We used to drink water in it. Glass, juice, cold drink, water. जब भी हम serve करते हैं guests को, we give it in a glass. glass. Isn't it? Now, I'm going to show you something. Just tell me, what color is this? Green. This is green color, isn't it? Then, what we have of green color in park? Leaves होती हैं, tree होते हैं, but something park में होता है. That we have grass. पूरा park green color की grass से भरा होता है ना? On which we walk? Grass. Isn't it? So, when we are saying all these words, like we have grapes, glass, gun, grass, guitar, goggles, gifts, there is one simple alphabet, similar alphabet with every word, with every picture. What is that? We call this letter G. What we call it? This is our letter G. And today we are going to understand the sound and how to write this letter G. Clear? Now, जो pictures हैं उनके अलावा there are many things with letter G. Like we have garlic. लहसुन आपने घर पे देखा होगा. अभी ये भी हमने व्हाइट कलर वाले ऑब्जेक्ट्स में देखा था. गार्लिक, गोल्ड के ऑर्नामेंट्स बनाए जाते हैं. लाइक दिस रिंग गोल्डन कलर में हमने आपको बताया था ना, गोल्डन. देन वी हैव गर्ल. सो वी ऑल नो गर्ल एंड बॉय. सो गर्ल. देन वी हैव ग्रीन कलर. आई हैव शोन यू माय बॉटल व्हिच इज ग्रीन इन कलर. देन वी हैव गार्बेज. सबके घर में कूड़ा होता है. So what we call that kuda? We call it garbage. Then we have gate. अब आपके घर देखो, there are two things. Door room का होता है, ठीक है? And when we call of a bigger one, जो हमारे घर का या स्कूल की entrance होती है, that is called a gate. ठीक है? Understood? Then we have game. We all play with games, isn't it? You all must be having many games to play with. Indoor games, outdoor games. We have learned about indoor and outdoor games. So we have games. What I want to say, class, there are so many things that begins with letter G. Today we are learning about letter G. So we have so many things that begins with letter G. Now we are going to speak their names again, one by one, and you have to see what sound is coming out. Let's begin. Gate. Say with me and listen carefully. Gate. Garbage. Grapes. Garlic. Gold. Girl. Glass. Gun. Say loudly, gun. Green. Then we have game. Grass. We have guitar. Goggles. Gift. Isn't it? All these are beginning with letter G. We have goat. So when you are speaking about these alphabets, when you are speaking about these pictures, what sound is coming in the beginning? G, garbage, G, gate, G, grapes. That means the sound of letter G is G. What is the sound of letter G? G says G. Grapes, goat, gift, green. Isn't it? Everywhere when we have letter G, जहाँ पर भी letter G है, there you are getting the sound of G. G says G. Go green. Go grapes. Go guitar. Go goat. Is that clear to everyone? So class, now we have learned that G says go. Say with me isn't it? So similarly you will first write C like this. Now अब C को आपको ऊपर blue line तक ले जाना है and make a simple sleeping line towards left hand side. This is your letter G. सबसे simple चीज first you have to write C. C को ऊपर ले जाना है and you will do like this. This is how we write letter G. G says go. Understood? Now, today you are going to do work in book, page number 14 and 15. 14 and 15. These are the two page numbers that you are going to do your work today. So, open your book and let's see how we are going to do our work there. Okay? So class, when you will open your book on page number 14 and 15, you will find letter G there. Understood? Now, how we have to write this? Let us first write today's date here. So it's 29th October 2021 classwork. 29th October 2021 and this will be your homework. Okay, now let's see how we have to trace. First make a C up, usko upar tak le jana hai, and a line out. So let's trace first a C here. How we'll do? Slowly and slowly you will trace the dots. देखो ये C बना, ठीक है. अब क्या करना है? Again you have to first make a C here, then उसको ऊपर standing line और यहाँ से बाहर. Again like this. This is your first step. ठीक है. उसके बाद ये हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप था. नाउ स्टैंडिंग लाइन और ये अंदर से बाहर. This is how you are going to write or trace letter G today. Understood? Let's do it once without dots. First, write a C like this. Then make a standing line and like this. Clear? Like this you are going to trace the complete page where you will write letter G. So G for goat, G for grapes, G for guitar, and the sound of letter G is G. G says G. So now it's time for you all to finish your work given on these two pages, 14 and 15, and get ready for today's next class. And keep practicing your alphabets that we have already done in a practice notebook as well. Bye all. Take care.